Has the future of sci-fi movies with flying cars already arrived? Maybe not yet, but it seems like we're soon to get there. Straight from fantasies, flying vehicles turn into reality. In this video, we're about to have a look at flying cars that can be bought today. For over 100 years, many companies have attempted to create a vehicle that can travel through the air, and they finally succeeded. The Slovak company Aeromobile, founded by Stefan Klein, has been working on a prototype of a flying machine since 1990. More than one model was created, a huge number of tests were carried out, and in 2016 the car eventually passed a successful one. It took 26 years for the company to reach its main goal. The auto runs on gasoline, and in order for it to soar, 200 meters of straight road is required, while 50 might be enough for landing. Besides, it can land on any plain area if there's no highway nearby. As we have mentioned, the company has already made several prototypes, the latest of which is the Aeromobile 4.0. Developers are constantly making changes, improving both the design and characteristics. The Slovak version of the car may look very similar to the Terrafugia concept. TFX is a model already capable of flying for quite long distances. This four-seater sedan, if we can call it that way, is equipped with 2 electric motors and 2 transformer wings, which rise when moving on the ground and straighten up when preparing for takeoff. Thanks to additional propellers and a tunnel fan in the tail section, there's not much difference where the flying car could land and where it could take off. The air control is automatic, just enter the destination point in the system and enjoy the flight. By the way, the company assures us the TFX can conquer 1,000 kilometers in just 3 hours. Serial production of this miracle of a technology is planned in 2025, with the expected price being 275,000 euros. And here's another model of Slovakia origin made by the same Stefan Klein, Klein Vision Aircar. Aircar has already received official permissions for flights from local authorities, which will help launch serial production. In the summer of 2021, Klein Vision had conducted the first ever long-distance travel on a flying airmobile. Aircar made a successful 35-minute flight between Nitra and Bratislava, covering 85 kilometers. Throughout the total of 70 hours, the machine succeeded in 200 takeoffs and landings. The model can reach a cruising speed of 190 kilometers per hour, and after landing, the aircar automatically transforms into a sports car in less than 3 minutes and is ready to drive on public roads. Aircar certification opens the door for mass production of very efficient flying cars. It's official and the final confirmation of our ability to change mid-distance travel forever, the head of the company, Professor Stefan Klein, noted. After 2 years of hard work and about $2 million in investments, the Aircar was presented on full display. Let's move to the Netherlands, where the PAL V company developed the PAL V Liberty flying car. Unlike those vehicles that we see in sci-fi films, there's a little fiction in the PAL V Liberty, as the developers came up with a hybrid of a 3-wheeled car and a helicopter. 5 to 10 minutes and your car is turned into an airplane and vice versa. Liberty is equipped with a Rotax aircraft engine. These are proven and reliable pieces, widely used in small aircrafts around the world. The maximum speed of this one is 160 kilometers per hour on the ground and 180 per hour in the air. The cost of PAL V Liberty starts at $300,000. And here's another 3-wheeled wonder from the USA, Samson Sky Switchblade. Work on the project has been underway for 14 years, and in 2022 the company finally received permission for test flights. The aircraft got its name because of the characteristic design on the wings, which extend like knives from under the cabin. While the car is on the road, the T-tail section hides behind the cabin. With one push of a button, it turns into an airplane with wings and a tail appearing and spreading. Also, being a 3-wheeled vehicle, in some regions the Switchblade can be registered as a motorcycle. On the highway, the car can accelerate up to 220 kilometers and in the air up to 257. The price tag for this unique type of vehicle reaches $150,000, and the company has already received about 2,000 orders. Alright, the following concept will definitely surprise you. The project on which Audi and Airbus are working together can reshape the future of taxis. By the way, the German government has already approved the testing of a flying taxi. Pop up next is a modular design consisting of 3 elements: a chassis, a passenger capsule, and an aircraft. The idea of the project is to ease and speed up the use of taxis. Passengers order a car using the application. The system automatically calculates the optimal route, taking into account traffic, and other aspects, while the trip can be made both by land and by air, depending on passengers' preferences and road conditions. With a developed infrastructure, the order of a car will take less than 10 minutes, with the price the same as that of a regular taxi. Upon boarding the capsule, Pop-Up not only recognizes the passenger's personality, but also analyzes his mood. Depending on this factor, the system will suggest one or another interior lighting and music. The heart of Pop-Up is a two-seater capsule that resembles a small 4x2. For road traveling, the capsule gets connected to a four-wheel trolley electric car. This baby is capable of accelerating up to 100 kilometers per hour and covering up to 150 on a single charge. As for air traveling, the capsule gets connected to the air module. Basically, we have a large quadcopter with 8 propellers. A very big advantage lies in vertical takeoff and landing. Instead of spending time in a traffic jam, one can simply fly around it. By the way, while in the air, Pop-Up will be able to stay no more than 100 kilometers and accelerate to the same 100 kilometers per hour. The advance of such a convenient aircraft will help to significantly reduce the time it takes to transport people and decongest the roadways in large cities. The Pop-Up creators assume that their concept will become a reality in 2030. Press like and write in the comments below if you just can't wait to see similar taxis in your city streets. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the next video.